Welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, we will show you how to unpause updates on Windows 10 and make sure your system stays up to date smoothly. Step 1. Click the search button, type Services, and select it from the results. The Services app allows you to manage all the background processes and system services on your computer. Step 2. In the Services window, click any service and press W on your keyboard to quickly jump to all services starting with the letter W. This makes it easier to locate Windows Update. Step 3. Scroll down and double-click Windows Update. This opens the properties for the Windows Update service, where you can control how it runs. Step 4. Change the startup type to Automatic. This ensures that Windows Update starts automatically every time your computer boots up. Step 5. Click Start to run the Windows Update service. This immediately enables the service so updates can resume without waiting for a restart. Step 6. Click OK to save the changes. Your settings are now applied and Windows Update will run normally from now on. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tips.